So if you're wanting a speaker that you can take out to any water activities, maybe it's to the beach, the lake, you're going to go swimming, like I have a pool behind me, or maybe you want to take it to the shower so you can listen to some tunes. I mean, this is something you definitely want to look at. I love just the kind of the look of it. So when you turn it on, it's got all these kind of different colors and it rotates through all those different things. And it's also a really good size. It kind of fits in my hand here. It does have several functions. Up at the top here, of course, this is our power button. As soon as you turn it on, you're going to go ahead, you can connect it to your Bluetooth device real easy. And we can also answer phone calls. We've also got a plus and a minus sign here on each side of the speakers. That way we can go ahead and adjust the volume. Now, it does come with a charging cord here, which it does take right on 2-3 hours to go ahead and charge. It also comes with a couple different ways you can go ahead and hang this off somewhere if you want to. It does come with a carabiner that you can go ahead and just put right through here. That way, if you want to, you can just put this on the backpack. You can put it in your tent. Just, I mean, really whatever you want to do. And it also comes with a suction cup. Now you're thinking, what am I going to use that for? You can put this in your shower. That way you can go ahead and kind of jam out or you're cleaning yourself. Just make it really easy to do. And what's good about this too is that when it's in the water, it floats. So you can have it floating around the water in the pool and listen to your music too, and it's waterproof. This can stay submerged up to 30 minutes and get down to at least 3 feet of water without any problem whatsoever. Now the construction on this is really nice. I would say this is probably silicone that's all the way around it, so that way if you drop it, you're not going to have a problem whatsoever. It kind of gives a little bounce to it. And then we've got a little mesh screen right here covering the speaker. And I would say the speaker is probably about 2 inches. And on the back side here, this is our actually charging port. What you're going to do is just going to pull that off. But what you want to do, make sure is that when you're not charging it, make sure this is good and sealed. So that way when it is in the water, you don't have to worry about any water getting up inside there either. But I'm definitely happy with this. I love the look of it, especially all the lights. It sounds fantastic. And I hope you found this review helpful.